Hello and welcome to another Every Tuesday video. This week is really exciting because I just released a brand new course and it's called Watercolor Florals for Graphic Design. And in the course I walk you through the entire process from painting watercolor florals all the way to digitizing them, enhancing them, and then I share my best tips for selling them online so you can create your own passive income stream. So this week I wanted to share the trailer for the course. The link to the course itself is right below this video, so just click on that link, and I'm also giving away the free clickable resources list so you can see everything that we use throughout the course. You can pick up the supplies, you can see the watercolors that I recommend, all that good stuff. So just click on the link in the video description and you can be brought to all those goodies, including the course. So without further ado, here is Watercolor Florals for Graphic Design. If you love watercolors, you've likely noticed how popular watercolor florals have become. They're bright, beautiful, and perfect for stationery, branding, social media, packaging, and more. Digitizing them, removing the white backgrounds behind them, enhancing their color, and getting them prepared for those designs can seem a little easier said than done. That's where Watercolor Florals for Graphic Design comes in. My name is Tila, and I've been creating and selling digital artwork for over 9 years. As a professional graphic designer, I also have experience in production design, preparing files for Fortune 500 companies. In this course, I share my experience for crafting a great digital product and the tips I use every time I sell them. By the end of the course, you'll know how to take your florals from a painting all the way to a sellable digital kit, perfectly prepared for buyers, and you'll create a new passive income stream at the same time. We'll start with mixing and painting simple large, medium, and small florals and add in some foliage too. Next, we'll digitize those florals by going through scan settings, talk about resolution, then enhance the color and vibrancy of our foliage and florals. We'll remove the white backgrounds from our scans with a few easy tricks in Photoshop, then save out our files so they can be placed on any colored or textured background in the future. We'll finish things up by utilizing an easy method for creating bouquets, corner arrangements, and wreaths. If you'd like to create or offer seamless patterns, you're covered there too. Want to offer vectorized versions of your florals? No problem. You'll know all the steps to take for clean vectorization by the end of this course. Once you have your florals prepared, head into the selling module for tips and selling strategies on how to price your florals, the best places to sell them, how to organize your file folders for buyers, create impressive, eye-catching preview images, including a mock-up tutorial, and write persuasive product descriptions. With your enrollment, you'll also receive extra bonuses. Grab the clickable resources list with all the supplies from the course, a scanning and resolutions cheat sheet so you'll always know your florals are sized and res correctly, and a selling information packet with everything in the selling module so you can check things off as you go. Join the private Facebook group that's included with your enrollment to connect with others, get any extra help you might need along the way, and share your wins with a group of supportive artists. While we will paint florals together, the focus of this course will be in Photoshop, so you'll need access to Photoshop CS3 or newer on a desktop or laptop computer to successfully complete this course. This course was created with beginners in mind, so if you've never painted florals before or are new to Photoshop, it may take a little extra time but is completely doable. You'll have 3 floral painting methods to choose from, and all keystrokes are posted on screen for Photoshop with step-by-step narration explaining both the whys and the hows. This is a fully pre-recorded course, so you can take it at your own pace and whenever it works with your schedule. Lifetime enrollment is included, so you can watch it as many times as you'd like, as often as you'd like. So grab your paints, brushes, and a strong cup of coffee, and let's create some watercolor florals for graphic design.